Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Study Point. So in this video we are going to discuss the maths and reasoning as well as the GK section of our HTET level 3 question paper. So पहला question देखते हैं. First question is two numbers are in the ratio of 14:9. If HCF and LCM of both numbers are 3 and 378, find the greatest number. So इसका correct answer होगा option number C, that is 42. Next question देखते हैं. A word with letters jumbled has been given. Choose the correct order of letters which are required to form the correct word. So ये आपको jumbled word given है. अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखेंगे तो ये मैगजीन बना रहा है. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी जो है करेक्ट सीक्वेंस होगा. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 63. Which of the following numbers will replace the question mark? So इसको अगर आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी दैट इज 558 जो है करेक्ट आंसर होगा. ऑप्शन नंबर डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A man starts from point A and travels 3 kilometers towards the east to reach point B, and then turns left and travels thrice the distance to reach another point C. From there, he again turns left and travels 5 times the distance he covered between A and B and reaches the destination A. What is the shortest distance between the starting point and his destination? So इस तरह का कुछ यहाँ पे डायग्राम बन रहा है. हमारे पास एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल बना है. ये 90 डिग्री का एंगल है. हमारे पास बेस गिवन है क्वेश्चन में 12, हाइपोटेन्यूअस हमें निकालना है, परपेंडिकुलर 9 है. सो इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो 15 जो है 15 किलोमीटर विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Words given on the left side are related with each other by logic, some logic, rule या relation. Select the missing word or pair on the right side from the given alternatives based on the same logic, rule या relation. So जैसे boxing कहाँ खेली जाती है? Boxing ring में खेली जाती है. इसी तरह skating जो है रिंग में की जाती है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर रिंग के साथ मैच करेगा स्केटिंग. ऑप्शन नंबर ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 66. So इस क्वेश्चन में A completes 80% of the work in 20 days, then B joins A and they complete the remaining work in 3 days. How long will B alone take to complete the work? So इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर B 37 1 by 2 days. ऑप्शन नंबर B. Moving to next question, we have question number 67. In a row of girls, Gitanjali is 20th from the right end and Sapna is 10th from the left end. When they interchange their positions, Gitanjali become 25th from the right end. What is the total number of girls in the row? So total number of girls इसमें 34 होंगी. Option number 4 will be the correct answer. Moving to next question. 68 हमारे पास एक ये क्वेश्चन गिवन है. Read the given statements and conclusions carefully. Assuming that the information given in the statement is true, even if it appears to be at variance with commonly known facts, decide which of the following given conclusions logically follow the statement. So इसमें हमारे पास statement given है all seeds are pods, some leaves are flowers, no flower are seeds. Conclusion है some seeds are leaves, no pods are flowers. So कोई भी इनमें से conclusion जो है फॉलो नहीं कर रही है, यानी कोई भी कंक्लूजन सही नहीं है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी विल बी करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. If 31st December 2003 was Wednesday, then what was the day on the week of 7th March 2005 को क्या होगा? अगर 31 दिसंबर 2003 को वेंसडे था तो 7 मार्च 2005 को क्या होगा ये बताना है. तो उसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी दैट इज मंडे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 7 फ्रेंड्स अनमोल, भावना, Komal, Diksha, Ekta, Falak, and Gopi are sitting in a row facing north but not necessarily in the same order. Falak is sitting to the immediate right of Ekta. Ekta is sitting fourth of the right of Gopi. Komal is an intermediate neighbor of Bhavna and Diksha. The person who is sitting third to the left of Diksha is at one of the extreme ends. Who among the following is an immediate neighbor of Gopi and Komal? तो जब इसको आप सॉल्व करके देखेंगे सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर भावना बनेगा. ऑप्शन नंबर ए विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन एन एग्जामिनेशन अ स्टूडेंट हैड टू ऑब्टेन 33% मार्क्स लेके आने थे पास होने के लिए. मैक्सिमम जो है आपको लेके आने थे. He got 125 marks and failed by 40 marks. So 40 marks से वो फेल हो गया. So maximum marks कितने कप एग्जाम रहा होगा? 500 marks का रहा होगा. Option number A will be the correct answer. Next question. In an election between two candidates, one candidate gets 72% of the total vote cast. If the total votes are 1000, by how many vote does the winner win the election? So option number इसका fourth correct answer होगा 440. Next question. In a library, 30% of the books are in Hindi, 20% are in English, and 18% are in French. The remaining 28,800 books are in regional language. What is the total number of the books in the library? So, इसका correct answer होगा option number B, that is 90,000. Next question देखते हैं. Question number 77. How many terms of AP 4, 11, 18 will make the sum 7? This is 795, I guess. 795, yes. So option number A will be the correct answer, 15. 78, इस फिगर से हमें ये गिवन है कि AC पैरेलल है QR के, तो हमें Y एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है. सो Y विल बी 60 डिग्री. ऑप्शन नंबर C विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. If the radius of the circle is 13 centimeter and the length of one of its chord is 10 centimeter, what is the distance of the chord from the center? So इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर C, 12 centimeter. Moving to next question. Select the option that is related to the fifth letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster and fourth letter cluster is related to the थर्ड लेटर क्लस्टर. सो जैसे सेकंड रिलेटेड है फर्स्ट से, फोर्थ रिलेटेड है थर्ड से, सो ये जो सिक्स्थ हमें पहचानना है ये रिलेटेड होगा फिफ्थ से, ये बताना है. सो इनको हम सॉल्व करेंगे, ट्रेंड निकल के आएगा, उसके वजह से हम आंसर इसका सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इसका करेक्ट होगा, ZVXEJH. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. अब हरियाणा जी के यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 से. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 से, व्हाट इज द लार्जेस्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी ऑफ हरियाणा इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरिया? सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, अबुब शहर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास क्वेश्चन नंबर 82. हरिहर स्कीम ऑफ हरियाणा इज एसोसिएटेड विद, सो इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद चिल्ड्रन. ऑप्शन नंबर डी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. Next question. The Haryana State Pollution Control Board was set up in which of the following year? So it was set up in 1974. Option number B will be the correct. Who was the first Lokyupta Lokyupta of the Haryana? So इसका correct answer होगा प्रीतम पाल. Option number A. Which of the following players of Haryana is not related to gymnastics? So answer होगा इसका option number C, that is Geeta Jutshi. Next question. Who had built the Krishna Arjun Rath chariot and temple of Shankaracharya near the Jyotishwar Sarovar district situated in district Kurukshetra? So correct answer will be Shankaracharya of Kam Kothi Peeth. That is option number C will be the correct answer. Next question. In 2022, how many subdivisions formed in Haryana? So option number 8, A option will be the correct answer. Next question. 88. The fort of Asigarh in Hansi town of Hisar district was built by, so it was built by Prithviraj Chauhan. Option number D will be the correct answer. Next question. Sportsperson Suma Punia hails from which village in Haryana? So option number B, Khevda, will be the correct answer. Who among the following is known as Kalidas of Haryana? So इसका correct answer होगा Pandit Lakshmi Chand is known as the Kalidas of Haryana. Option number C will be the correct answer. So in this video, we discussed all the questions related to reasoning, maths, as well as Haryana GK. If you like the video, please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. In the next section, we will be discussing the biology section of HTET Level 3 PGT 2026 question paper. Thanks for watching.